Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it is the new year, and with the new year just comes with a natural sense of wanting to get better and wanting to be more organized. So within my home, like I know a bunch of y'all too, there are a few little nooks and crannies that definitely need some organization. We got junk drawers, we got junk closets, and today I'm about to tackle a junk closet. So my master bathroom linen closet has really just become a catch-all. And when I say catch-all, I mean catch-all. It is a mess. So from towels to wigs to toilet paper to cleaning supplies, it is pretty much just all thrown in there. At one point, it was kind of organized, and then I don't know what happened, but here we are. So today I'm going to be organizing this closet and showing you easy ways you can do the same thing. Everything that I'll be using today was found at my local dollar store. Nothing fancy at all. So we are going to pull everything out of there, sort it, and then get it back in there properly organized. So Antonio has been telling me that I have a problem with buying hair, and I'm like, I buy as much hair as you buy shoes. But yeah, y'all, I might have a problem. So y'all, I'm thinking this bottom shelf down here is pretty low to the ground, and I want to be able to put our dirty clothes hamper in here and push it all the way back. So I'm just going to do that by removing this shelf. If you guys have these metal shelves, wire shelves, they just lift up here. But what you have to do first is come back here to the back and just pop these up. So once you pop up those back pieces, then you can just lift it up and take it out of there. So that's about it. So as most of you know, the main name of the game in organizing is to get rid of what you don't need, sort what you do, and corral, meaning just corral it in nice little baskets, and then you are organized. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the little post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload here. So thank you guys again, and I will see you on the next video.